Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we are diving into the insane price action that shocked the Bitcoin market last Sunday. An epic pump followed by an equally violent dump with a massive volume drain that dragged prices back on Monday. But what does all of this mean for crypto, and how should we update our technical and cyclical analysis after this market manipulation? Stick with me to find out. And do you know what's happening this Friday? The infamous White House Summit hosted by Donald Trump is coming, and some big names from crypto world are invited, so stay tuned. Price action analysis. See this chart? This is the erratic, borderline hysterical Bitcoin price action. Some are calling it a kangaroo market. Honestly, at this point, it feels like we are at the zoo, and the crazy part, the real action is likely yet to come, possibly around Friday, as I just mentioned it. It's undeniable that with the new political phase in the US, Bitcoin and the crypto market have been targeted, apparently in a positive way. We saw a Trump pump right after the elections, but there have also been some major anomalies. Crypto markets are increasingly manipulated, and I have been saying that for a while now. But what happened between Sunday and Monday was a slap in the face for investors. For Bitcoin hodlers, that pump looked like a great sign. But let's be real, we need to wake up. The crypto market has become the toy of the powerful in post-election America. And this is not the decentralization we sign up for. Institutions have stepped in, but with a level of manipulation that you just don't see in regulated market. Last week, Bitcoin was allowed to crash to key levels only to be pumped back up by a random tweet with no real substance. Technical analysis. Let's break down to the technicals. The price has failed and is still failing to reclaim the trading range we discussed in the last analysis, completely failing the breakout. The 10% bounce on Sunday hit the descending trend line, meaning that despite the pump, the overall trend remains unchanged. We are still stuck in a bearish sideways phase after breaking down from the previous consolidation range. Let's move to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, the big picture remains the same. After breaking the key of 90,000 support last week, Bitcoin bounced back in a clear sign of manipulation. But this week, it's right back down. So here is the real question. Was the manipulation on Monday with the drop or on Sunday with the pump? Drop a comment and I want to hear your thoughts. Key levels to watch: resistance at 94k, main support 90k, potential retracement zone 85, 84, 83k, and the major support at 78. Critical last support 71.5. Possible target if the downtrend resume. Cyclical analysis give us a clear picture. A new 25 days monthly cycle has started, similar to the last one. We already spotted this last Friday when Bitcoin showed strong movement. Also the January 90 or 13 low mark, the start of the quarterly cycle, which typically lasts 70 to 90 days. That means we could see a major shift by the end of March, unless a strong move disrupts the cycle, potentially linked to the semi-annual cycle. In short, we are in a phase of extreme manipulation and uncertainty. The future direction will depend on how well support levels hold and whether the market can push back against further manipulation. What do you think, guys? Was this pump just a liquidity grab? Let me know in the comments and hit a like if you found this analysis useful. Catch you in the next one.